Welcome to a Gluu video tutorial for iPhone and iPad. In this video, we are going to download the Firefox app and use it to join Gluu Live classes. You may need your Apple ID password. If you can't find it, pause the video and hunt down your password book, or head over to iforgot.apple.com and reset it. Okay, let's get started. Tap on the App Store app. Enter your Apple ID password if you're asked for it. When you're in the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Firefox. Tap Enter, Return, or Search on your keyboard. And you're looking at the search results for Firefox. And there it is on the screen. Tap on Get, which means the app is free, or the cloud icon, which you'll see if you downloaded this app to any one of your other devices. And now we're going to wait for Firefox to download onto the device you're holding. When you're ready, tap Open. You did it. Nice. You're in Firefox. There's a lot going on in this app that we will cover in another tutorial. But to get you over to your Gluu classes fast, we're just going to tap Next. And then tap Start Browsing. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type crowdcast.io. Tap Go or Enter or Return on your keyboard. And welcome to the Crowdcast website. If you see a pop-up in the middle of the screen, tap the X in the top right corner to get rid of it. What we're looking for is the search bar in the middle of the Crowdcast website. Tap on it. And enter Gluu, G-L-U-U. Tap Return or Enter on your on-screen keyboard. Now tap on the colored box on your screen to be taken to class. Tap on Save My Seat if the class isn't happening for a few days, or tap Join Event if the class is happening within the next 10 minutes. And that's it. You've just downloaded the Firefox app from the App Store and used it to get over to the Crowdcast website to join a Gluu event. Nice job. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in class.